All right, I have here 2 stainless steel grill forks from Begatter. These things are stainless steel, you can hear them. Nice and solid. They have great handles to them and nice sharp points to it. And also they have these little plastic bits you can put on there when they're not in use. They have a little bit of sharp sides too, so you can like kind of cut things if you need to. And they have hooks on the end so you can hang them up like by your grill when you're not using them, or just for storage purposes. Easy to clean, use them for carving, serving barbecue, turkey, ham, even hot dogs, chicken wings. And they do have this ergonomic grip on them that makes it a lot more comfortable to hold. So when you are using them, it's not awkward, it feels good. So when you're grilling up your next steaks or anything out in the grill, check out these. These are great and they do wonders. They work really well. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.